Well, we just ran out of wire, so I'm gonna go ahead and replace the reel in the welder. First thing you want to do is pull the old wire out of this gun. That's if it's gonna come out. Looks like it's stuck. This can be tricky, so you just gotta make sure not to let all the wire loose in the reel. And now you can just turn your welding gun on and it should feed the wire through. Okay, so the wire came out. Now we're just gonna put the tip back on and it should be ready to go.